We will request Senator Marcos to give us an update about the ARMM bill, as well as other local government and related concerns that they're doing right now in the Senate.
The status of the bill 41 the House Bill 4146 and its counterpart in the Senate is that there is going to be a last hearing on Tuesday. But in any case, now that is what has happened now, we are here at this point. And the reason that we called another hearing is because there are very legitimate questions that were raised in our last hearing in Marawi. And to be, well, let me tell you, two of the most important questions that need to be answered by the administration, the President's advisors, who are proposing this cancellation of elections in ARM. Those who have proposed it have to answer these simple questions, but really fundamental and necessary. Number one, what qualifies someone to be assigned as an OIC officer in ARM if and when the elections are cancelled? Who are they going to be? Secondly, the stated purpose, or one of the stated purposes of this cancellation of election and the appointment of officials in elected positions, one of the stated purposes is reform. That is why on Tuesday we have invited Secretaries Llamas, Deles, and Robredo to come and give the final answers that they can to these questions, and then finally we will incorporate all of that and get the report out. If the report comes out on Tuesday, then on Wednesday I expect that it will be on the floor and that we will be debating it.
Tama po ba ang decision ng COMELEC not to sign any contract regarding sa automated election? Kasi takot sila sa kalalabasan ng palapalapos ko.
So I don't know why that decision was made to stop preparing. That is very strange for me, because whatever happens, first of all, they will go. Even this issue has actually been discussed. Na yung machines dapat binili yan, yung option na nabibili yan last ilang buwan na dapat nakalipas na nakakuha lang sila ng extension for the PICOS machines. And the PICOS machines, an option to buy will disappear at the end of the year. So they have to make a decision one way or the other. Yung pag-cancel ng halalan, hindi na kailangan paghandaan yan eh. Kung lumabas nga, ma-approve dito, mapasa, hindi tapos whatever legal challenges will be brought against this proposed bill, and it is approved by both houses already, kailangan pa rin nilang gawin lahat ng gagawin nila. So, I don't know. Maybe it is another force that is being used to postpone.
What was the sentiment of the people when you conducted the consultations in the provinces?
We had that hearing in Marawi dahil isa lang, dahil minamadali nga kami. So to try and accommodate everyone, nag-hearing kami sa Marawi. In terms of sentiment, it is overwhelmingly in favor of continuing the elections. I hope that not only have I been able to give you an overview as to what the parliamentary situation is vis-a-vis the bill that proposes to cancel the elections in ARM, but also I think we have touched on some of the main issues that have been raised in our discussions on this. And we are coming to the end of this session of Congress, and I am confident that we will still be able to take it up before the end of session, and that the definitive conclusion will be arrived at before we go on our recess. So, abangan ang susunod na kabanata.